Hi there. We have seen the matrix operations in the last video, and let's see how we can do the basic task of plotting something onto Matlab. So this is how we can create an array of 100 samples between 0 and 4 pi using this line space function. This is a built-in function of Matlab. Let's try this as it is. So x is equal to line space 0, 4 into pi into 100. Sorry, there is some mistake, so it's linspace. So x is created. Next, y is equal to sine of x. And then simply we can do what? Plot y. The status is here. Depending upon your PC speed, your Matlab will respond differently, always. So this is the plot of a sine wave, the samples for which were created using the first two lines, and third line was used just to plot it. You can say it's just a plot. There is no label to x-axis, there is no label to y-axis, nothing is there. Let's go further. So we can also use the exponential or e factor to do the mathematical operation here. Remember, Matlab is specifically there for complex mathematics, so the e part or the exponent part is also present, and we can do the calculation with it. CLC first, and then let's do y1 is equal to e raised to minus x by 3, like that. And then y2 is equal to y into y1. Or what is y? Yeah, that's the y. So y is equal to sine of x, then y1 is equal to the exponent component, and then y2 is equal to y into y. Okay, the dimensions are not agreeing upon. Let it be. So for plotting this kind of things or a simple plot, you can use a plot symbol. So we have done it on y. That just plots it. We can also use, instead of plot, stem. Let's see what it does or what it plots. Same window. So it's just a different representation, as can be seen, in terms of samples, all the values. If needed, you can print two values at the same time, like this, x comma y. So that is a sampled or a simple program where the samples are shown here, just the waveform is shown. Whichever looks good for your operation, you can choose that accordingly. Then there are a number of different facilities given for the plot. So you can give title to them. Just a minute. title, and then let's try to give an operator here, quote. So this is sinus function. We got the title over here. Then you can give an x label with this command. This is notepad to copy that, and then remove those to create quote, and then delete this and just use this much. So this is X label. Similarly, we can do y label, so it is y, and let's call it amplitude. Comes here. So that's about it, how we can plot the values and how we can also put some labels onto it. So that's about this. Not much things are there. If you are not aware of other functions in Matlab, or if there is any such function like zeros comes and you don't know what to do with it, then just type help zeros and it will open your help with zeros at its argument. So try to create all of these exercises that we have done today and see the output. Thanks for watching.